Walking to the garage, to the back cave as I call it, MRP HQ, to get the Batmobile. Nah, that's gay. Want to go get in the seat. Give me a little POV. My little drive to work today. It's hot as shit, so ain't gonna be nothing crazy. But yeah, we out. Let's go. Old headers. Need to clean up in here. Looks a damn pigsty. We'll get to it.
Safety first, or second, or third. Be safe, bitch. Yes, I need an alignment. Not really, I just need to realign the steering wheel. I took the steering column off when I was doing the headers, and yeah, I'm off a little bit. Sue me. Let's go. Reflexologist. I'm a reflexologist. I'm home, baby. Park in the shade. Fuck that. H2O is good for you. It's good for me too. You know, one of my insecurities about filming is people seeing me with the camera. And now that I have it like in POV mode, so it's like, you know, mounted on my head, near my face. I always wondered, like, what do people think when they drive by and they see, like, oh shit, this dude's recording, like he must be about to do something, or what's he recording, you know? I don't know. I think I just gotta get over it. Fuck what people think. That's my motto. I gotta take my own advice sometimes. Everybody's got an opinion, but it doesn't really matter. Not gonna lie, it's hot. Trying to give you guys some of the sounds of the headers and whatnot, but I mean, god damn. Oh, we're going up under here? Trying to get on the highway, they trying to get off the highway. It's a little dance we gotta play. Resume later on tonight, guys, when the temperature cools down. It's too hot to do anything. See you later on tonight. All right, ladies and gents, as promised, cooled down a little bit. Instead of it being 100 degrees, shit, it's 82, which is much better. Trying to get the trans warm. You heard that. I don't know, I gotta see, maybe it's running low on, maybe I didn't top off the oil in the trans or something enough. Might need to add some. That's what I'm thinking. Because it always scratches a little bit of gears until the oil is, till it's warm, till the trans warms up, and then it's good. Gotta see what that's about. Like it scratches third and fourth. Road's messed up, gotta take a detour. Fuel City.